Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Invisible Woman on Dress to Impress. Select both of these hairs without no adjustments in this color B59660. And then for the outfit, you do need VIP for this because you need these. So I'm just going to get this one first in No Garment in this color 084E72, and then in white, and then that same color again. Then grab this in that same color and in white, and then grab the boots with deeper, no, I'm kidding. Grab the pants here and color it blue and the rest in white. I'm just going to add like a silk material on it, like so. Okay, and then I am going to grab this top, I think. I'm actually not sure. Okay, it's not this one. What about this one? Okay, grab this top here and color it silk in white. If you didn't see it, it was this top. And then I'm going to get these gloves. I think I'm going to add this one in the gloves toggle, I think. In this color first in silk, and then the rest in that like blue color and silk as well. I'm going to leave that like white. Okay. Then what else do you need for this? I think, oh, the belt and the shoes, right? Then for the belt, we're going to get this and we're going to color it the same again, and then the rest in just white here. Like that. And then we need to add more shoes, so we're going to add these boots. We're going to color it white and then the rest in that same blue that we colored. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.